Guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is most beautiful and latest crochet pillow cushion covers. Creating crochet pillow cushion covers can add a cozy and personalized touch to your home decor. Here's a simple pattern to get your cushion and get your cushion covers and unique ideas. So different styles and crochet rows in your fusion stitch until the plan and reach to high of your pillow making. Sure to turn your work end of each now. So please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedbacks, the new and latest ideas and the styles for these channels, like different crochet and beautiful ideas. So once you complete what plans and place, then together with the wrongs sides and see each other's crochet